great opportunity to meet with the NASA Center Director and many of the technical leaders within the NASA community. We were here today to bring forth to SAIC their innovation factory.
Today was the opening day for the Houston Innovation Factory for SAIC. And the idea with our innovation factories is that we put these close to some of our major customers like NASA here in Houston, so we can help them solve some of their challenges. And in order to solve their challenges, we're trying to bring some of our technologies as well as emerging and new companies' technologies together with us to help solve their challenges.
A PHARMAFLIGHT-nak az elsődleges programja, ami FAPA névre hallgat, a légiközlekedés számára készült fáradtság, úgynevezett Fatigue Risk Management mérésére szolgáló objektív program.
That factory looks at technology, looks at innovative companies with creative techniques, and this is why we're here, because you have shown to us through our activities with you, you have a technology. An application of that technology can be used throughout the American industries, whether it's trucking, whether it's aerospace.
And in some cases, it's companies that maybe haven't worked with the aerospace industry, like PHARMAFLIGHT and ATA, who has done some work in the aerospace industry, but your partnership we thought was a really good example of something that we could look at as far as introducing it to the aerospace industry, and maybe it could be used for flight controllers or astronauts to evaluate, their ability to handle stressful situations, long duration space flight, long time in the Mission Control Center.
I've been on 2 flights recently that we had to get off because the pilot.
Évek óta beszélünk arról, hogy a pilóta hiány mit fog jelenteni a piacon. Most megfogalmazódott a NASA vezetője részéről, hogy rövidíteni kell a képzéseket, illetve ki kell terjeszteni a korhatárt. Erre nekünk mindre programunk van, több éves tapasztalattal.
Everyone here today spent extra time talking about this, looking at this and saying to themselves, you can see them think, hey, there's something here. Let's take advantage of that.